In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart on Monday.com. A Gantt chart is one of the clearest ways to see who's doing what and when, with tasks laid out across a timeline so you can spot overlaps, gaps, and critical deadlines at a glance. We'll keep this simple and focused, so you can get from a board to a clean Gantt view in just a moment. First, open Monday.com and head to your trial management board. This is the board that already contains your tasks, owners, and ideally, date or timeline information. You'll find it in your workspace's board list. When the board opens, you should see your familiar table of items in the main view. If your board already includes a date or timeline column, that's perfect. The Gantt view will use those fields to place each item on the schedule. Next, look toward the top of the board for the Views toolbar. There's a highlighted area there used to switch or add different ways of visualizing your data. Click the highlighted control to reveal your view options. This is where Monday.com keeps alternatives like Kanban, Calendar, and of course, Gantt. If you don't immediately see it, focus your eyes on the top section of the board interface just above the table where view names and controls live. That's the spot. Now choose Gantt from the list. The board will transform into a timeline view. On the left, you'll see your items and groups. On the right, colored bars plotted across dates. Each bar represents the duration of an item based on its start and end dates, or its timeline. If your board includes dependencies, you may also see connective lines indicating task order and relationships. This layout helps you understand sequencing, lead time, and potential bottlenecks at a glance. If everything looks compressed or too spread out, remember that the Gantt view can display different timescales. Seeing the full quarter or zooming in to weeks can change how readable your chart feels, so pick the scale that best matches your planning horizon. If bars are missing for some tasks, it usually means those items don't have dates yet. Once dates exist on the board, the Gantt will automatically reflect them. A quick orientation tip. The vertical grouping mirrors your board's structure, so sections like phases or sprints appear in order. The horizontal axis is your calendar, and the colored bars visually communicate timing, duration, and overlap. That's all there is to it. By opening your trial management board, using the highlighted view control, and selecting Gantt, you've turned a simple task list into a powerful, timeline-based plan that's easy to present and even easier to manage.